Hello students, I'm Teacher Puff. Today I'm gonna make some funny and easy DIY for you guys. First, prepare your material, one of your half A4 size paper, one origami yellow color paper, pencil, eraser, color pencil, scissor, and glue. First, fold your paper into half and draw an eggshell shape. Use your scissors to cut out the egg shape. Then fold into half of your yellow color paper and draw another small oval shape. Use your scissors to cut it out. And cut a small paper strip, roll into paper stick, and use glue to stick on the bottom. After that, take out your color pencil. You can draw the expression of the chick. Draw the eyes and the mouth using different colors or your favorite color you like. You can add the blush too. After that, put some glues on one side of the yellow oval shape and put the paper stick paste in the middle. Then draw the wavy line in the eggshell and cut it out. Glue on the top of the head, in front and behind, and stick the eggshell together. After finish, you can glue the second half of the eggshell. Then, you can put it gently in and out, and your cute little chick can come out from the eggshell already. Thank you.